All right, we are doing a testing live video. I don't know. We are testing our live video. All right, all right. Let me check to see if my buddy can join real quick. Let me get to the Discord app. Lil Petty Discord. Where is the stream link at? Testing, testing. Testing, testing. Can they not hear me? Testing, testing. Okay, there we go. All right, bad. Why is my connection poor though? Testing, testing. All right. All right. We are live. We got the test. We know that the stream is working. We have a poor connection status. I'm going to work on that. I don't know what's going on. But overall, jumping in live. We're going to do this live. We're going to talk about some things that are going on in the stock market. We're going to talk about some things that's going on in the stock market. So let's go ahead and we can jump into the charts and see what Lil Petty is looking at. All right, so let's talk about this first. I really want to I want to clear out this chart, but I really don't want to. Let me see. I wonder why the the health of here is bad. Open widget. Audio stream. Air. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna go get a new computer. I'm about to go get a new computer. I'm about to go get a new computer. You wanna know why? Because I bought these I sold these Tesla puts. So we sold Teslas all week. Sold the damn Teslas all week. Yesterday. Close these out today. Get it filled for that. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna go get a new computer. I'm about to go get a new computer. So let's go ahead and look at some of this stuff. Why is my small account down? I bought puts. This is why you don't short the market. Don't short the market. because the market is not going lower, it's going higher. Now, the only reason I took this trade was because we had a 1226 bearish cross. So when the cross comes down, that's showing signs of weakness, and you can see we're in this small channel. But it was just another fake out. The last time I bought puts was about a month ago on right here, and I ended up losing a few $100. So I took another $300 loss. Overall, we are up on this account though, and you can see right here the small account. We've doubled that already, so I'm gonna drop a YouTube video. For the day trades that we took today, we did buy a Facebook 237.5 put. We spent $1.34 on it. We sold it out for $2.14. That play probably would be worth a little bit more now. Let's buy. Yeah, I'm getting a new computer, bro. Look at this shit. This shit is slow as molasses. But also because, no, that shit is slow. It's time to get a new computer. All right. We got the Discord chat. Look, we got people in here making money, man. Man, party going crazy. Getting plays, man. We out here hitting home runs, swinging. I was supposed to hold 270s. It would have hit today. So let's go in here. Let's talk about let's just go through some of these charts real quick. I'm gonna bring it down here so you guys can see what I'm looking at. So these are the three stocks that we were watching today. We were watching Spotify, Twilio, Tesla. You see I'm on the 1 hour chart. Tesla, Netflix. We did make money on Netflix. So let's show you guys the trades that we made money on today and what we lost money on. We lost 114 on Twilio. I was trying to short it. You can see Twilio bought a put, bought another put, sold it low, boom. Facebook, we made money. We bought the put, sold out. Then we bought another put and sold out. Small profits. So Facebook, we made a win of 95. Netflix, we won 120 in this account. And then we also made 235 on Netflix today. We bought these puts in this account too. So there goes the profit from there. We bought some Neo calls. I probably should buy one put to hedge this position, but I've already put $400 in here, and I really don't want to put 500. The account has basically doubled. We have taken some money out. So if you come to the history, not that, that's the chart. Activity, right here. Boom. Cash transfers. So we pulled money out yesterday, and we just made a release of another 750 today. So that's why the buying power is about, add these two up, about 2,000. Net liquidation is about 3K. The trades that we're in right now, we're in this Tesla put. We sold out of these ones that we bought yesterday. So the plays and callouts. right here. So I sold a Tesla put credit spread an hour before the close. The risk was that. The max gain was that. I accidentally got filled on 2 contracts. I said, you know what? I'm thinking about selling one out, but I said, fuck it. I'm going to hold it through the night because I had already made enough money to risk that. So this one we ended up closing those ones out today for 4 cents. So because Tesla ended up gapping up. So we can blow up this chart real quick. We'll go through each chart first. We'll go through SPY. So let's talk about this trend line first. So this 4-hour chart, we had this downwards trend, and this is where I got faked out on the bearish cross. But I took the trade on the put side was because on the 3-month, one day we did get that bearish rollover. Let me go ahead and I'm gonna keep that trend line there. Delete that. I'm gonna delete this, and I'm gonna delete this right here. And I'm gonna delete this one because we blew past that. And I'm gonna delete this one too. Remove drawing. So now we're back in this channel. I'm gonna leave these ones right there, and we are coming up to this support right here, this 315 or resistance. So we need to see SPY break out of that for a confirmation to come fill this gap up here at 319, 320, and then test the all-time highs of SPY. No, not the all-time highs. The high since the pop, because the SPY high is 340. So keep an eye on that. But if we look at the weekly chart, since we're here, it's clearly still on an uptrend. These small hiccups, people are getting faked out. We're getting a bullish cross now on the weekly chart, and that was my thing where I'm like, okay, well, I'm not sure. So last time we got the bearish cross was right here. We got a bearish cross on the weekly chart, the daily chart. Every chart went bearish. That is the sign that it's rolling over and you can, go bearish. So that was our key signal. Now right here, as you see, we're closing above the moving averages of 12 and 26. And we're closing above this trend line. So this trend line is still intact. Everything looks good until further notice. So yeah, that's SPY. Spotify. So we're in Spotify. We have the 270s and the 265s. The data on these aren't the best. I'm waiting, so I'm gonna just hold these ones over the weekend. Spotify is bullish. We're in this plays right here. Max credit of $600, and we're up about 230, so about 35%. So we're holding on to those. That's a potential nice bag as long as Spotify closes above 262 or 270 by next week. And we're on a breakout, so let's go look at this chart, 4-hour chart. Clear bull flag, came down and tested this level like I called out. I called this play out too. Said the 235, said spot, it's time to grab spot. So we went and bought spot. Every time I call a play out, I'm going to take action on it. If I like the trade, I'm going to take it. It's as simple as that. Amazon bearish today, standing below VWAP all day. Short it for now until we get it. It's still on an uptrend. Don't get it twisted. And we have this little, it's a bear flag though. So it could close below 270, 280, 28.73 today, but I doubt it. But if we sell off hard in the close, you never know. Didn't trade that today. Twilio, lost money on this, got faked out on this candle and waited for this pop, got back in on the second run and then stopped out. So I stopped out of that, didn't chase the upside. I made money this week on Twilio in this account, and we closed out a trade today actually on Twilio, or yesterday. We closed out this spread yesterday, and I'm a little upset because I closed my my debit spread out, and this is worth 350 now. I sold it out for 190, so I left 200 bucks on the table, and they expire next week. 225, 230s. These are clearly in the money now, but I sold out yesterday. I think when it came down right here, I said I just wanted to get out, and then I kind of regretted it. But like I said, I made money on the put spreads and the debit spread. I made a little bit on that, so I'll take it, and we're getting our cash balance back together. So, but we pulled a lot of money out of our cash balance. So we're in this Roku trade. It's only worth $100, and we spent 400 bucks on Naya. So totally, we got about 4, 5. This trade cost 5, so 1,000, and then the Spotify play, I think like 400. So 5, 9, 10. So we got about $1,500 in these trades right now, and then we still have a $2,000 cash balance. Oh, what up, Sang? What up, Sang? Yeah, man. I'll get you in the Discord if you want to join. Go over here. Go ahead and send the Discord link to you. I'm not that good with this Discord shit, but I get you in here, bro. Live people. Copy. There you go, bro. I got poor connection right now, but I think it's because I need to get a new computer, but I'm gonna get a new computer. So overall today, like I said, so I bought the puts. This is why I've been telling everybody don't short the market, but I set up my trade. I had my reasons on setting up the trade, so I took a small risk and I got squeezed out. So, but that's basically what I wanted to talk about on that. I've been saying, the stock market's going higher. These pullbacks are going to be good for bullish entries. So let's get back to a few of the charts. We talked about the Twilio. Tesla. Yes, so Tesla. This one has been crazy. So let's go to the 15-day, 15-minute chart. So we got a bunch of lines because these are just areas, but this is literally just broken out. So we'll keep those there for now. But overall, this stock has been just going higher, and I actually sold. So I'll show you what I sold today. We sold the 1200s and the 1190s. So say if we wanted to put on this trade. So for next week, you can get a credit of 460. I honestly believe if you were going to take this trade, I would like to go for the 1170s, and you get the 300, but you're risking 700. So that's really a decent, that's a better trade. And if you look at the theta is going to kill these contracts. So as long as Tesla, on a Monday when we open up, as long as the stock is still on somewhat of an uptrend, then these contracts are going to get clapped. So you'll be able to receive that credit. Now, I went closer because I'm just more aggressive. So I sold the 1200s and 1190s, but overall, when you look at the Tesla stock, so what I'm looking at is this hour chart right here. I'm looking at this hour chart. We had the bull flag. We broke out, and I'm really saying that we're going to hold this momentum and possibly carry us up into the 1250s, 1260s, maybe even 1300 on a nice squeeze. But I'm being very cautious right now with Tesla. I've already killed it, but I'm gonna ride the wave. I'm gonna ride the wave out. So that's why I took on this trade. I'm risking $500, like to make 500 basically. So, and Tesla's bullish, but overall, I'm not taking no trades. So I'm done for the day. I could make a small trade. I only have $18 of buying power in my cash account for the small account, the baby account that I'm giving to you guys on here. And then we have the business trading account right here. And I did take a naked option play because I saw the opportunity. So yeah, let's go finish up the charts real quick before I get out of here. Netflix. So we've seen the Netflix pop this morning and started seeing the reversal. We got in basically on the next pop, and I seen it's basically under VWAP. It's downtrending. So that's we got in. We did get in. Let me show you. Let me see real quick. So the first entry on Netflix today was right here at 725. So let's go look at the 725. I think it was in this candle. No, we shorted the bounce right here. So I got in on this candle right here, right before this candle as it was coming down.